NDC mu na jane dare no me catch them say jane be dare na nya dare. Na ye fuele bibi wo Ghana. Asofo no na take center stage. The third term for Yera John Mahama. Now I'm taking center stage no more na Fiifi kwete. Mo ka video bi abeye was sycophants. I had to say Yera Asiedu get ya Fiifi kwete. Sa John Mahama third term agenda no they don't like it. And they devise a plan ebe making sure say that does not happen. Ya kwani kwetie katachimra.
Asiedu get ya camp. Woni Fiifi kwete wo mo camp. Vis-a-vis John Mahama camp. Is an John Mahama petete mbiako. Asiedu nketia ene Fiifi kwete yusu master stroke bi. Eti John Mahama appointees na nkombeba into the party hierarchy. Amba be boama John Mahama etimi akotete no. Asiedu nketia ene Fiifi kwete yusu master stroke bi de. Clause we have show say obese obabe contest here. Resign as a government appointee. So what they've done is that they've locked Mahama boys, who are holding a government appointment. So omuntimi mama be contesting because you don't want to gamble with say yama or juicy appointments as a CEO, as a minister, as BB. Now ube gamble edi ababe yes ube pe party yiti. Right there, they've knocked Mahama's third term agenda off with just a clause within or more directives of the buy. Now John Mahama tries to also get at a year boys within the system, of which Baba Jama is a part of it. And Baba Jama is wrapped as though or more fighting corruption, but it's actually not about corruption. So Obano the winning year and Komon Kawohi and Kombekataso am moving on. But because Baba Jama, who is an Asiedu Ketia boy, won, now they are trying to use technicalities to knock out a year Baba Jama. How are they doing that? Obviously, government are recalling because Baba Jama is a government appointee within the whole saga. Menoka say Hajia Amina Andam, who is the late MP Nigireno, or your board member, my Pristia Sankofa Gold Limited. It is a say fighting corruption. I didn't know John Mahama and recalling on also an appointment. Hajia a board member, my Hajj board. I didn't see the calling and say Hajia because of a vote by any corruption course on Untino. Yeah, you would hear every hole. But it's not because they want to fight corruption. John Mahama binding United Sober fighting corruption. They want to target Baba Jama, who won the election because Baba Jama Asiedu Ketia boy. So the hypocrisy with this fight against a delegate and a vote buying, that is exactly what I am against. It is not a vote buying. If it's a vote buying, Mahama Yaraga all corny elections, Utia and Yetu Abamano. It is a yenina as a nation, if we want to have a conversation on what vote buying is, John Mahama is doing, John Mahama buying. Ejademo.
Aha. Miakasa mete sa ruling when them na kakra. Because 6 months to you whatever going for appointment you need to resign and all that, It means say obeti say Sami Jenfi. There is no way Sami Jenfi will leave cold board for national NDC communicator on the. And the boys who have gotten there, they are the darling boys of Yera John Mahama. Omo komo ye to send your MVP here now the top bottom approach no the real mama baomiano. Sabi na na ke ba na Fiifi kwete so boa omo ye lie. We be na saka we no Canada Japan mempane na ka bam. Sesiano we appointee of Yera John Mahama, you need to resign your position on the party. So that they get people who can work. Now, guess what? If you resign, you're educated here. I mean, who's saying the man who passed away already said, obey or be fighting for presidency. But in the call for a barber show. It's a bedu na massa obeshano na kwafo or any be because you can't say, man, you're educated here. What about the so? I didn't know I didn't Canada. Yes, a board for one count. It means a yes, skew idea to favor one person. Me catch am say ade bi boba. NDC e je baba tom no as MPP there. One here catch ababa mu no muntimi he leader. Because and now 2020 right? By 2027 power play baba NDC mu no. Because at that time na kai Yera John Mahama 1 year. And idea NDC say almost per party year they should start working towards now. Now So omo leader, omo looking up to. Asiedu Ketia why selfish leader. And now all power. Ono na anko betimi aka we no all power. Enti say no o scheme. Sa scheme no so dey minim. Sa scheme na no ye no de ko tu ofosu ampofu se dey we dey tu ni feature machine. Sa scheme na bi no ye. Enti say na ye ka say Sami Jefini other guys near mom juicy positions no and no soon the gem because it's either you choose the party or you choose the position. Sami Jefini matters a man 1.5 million Ghana cedis a month too. And yet better other deals are only and easy. What was a Sami Jefini who's some background by communicator America said why do you sir me come a ball 4 years and hey me entire life my year o pass Sami Jefini pa mama pen 1 month pe medi ye enti sa we me catch Sami Jefini ta say brana be communicator no bo do Mahama na so onko bi wo omo nkopre but scheme na ba no na eno na ayewa su constituency ikofobia hu ade no ena guys ni bi start ma Fiifi quite warning yanko ni ko esa video no bra
me say me catch obia e wa Ghana ha say election aye e wa mi ma no e peaceful election na e peace na election no ma obi fa ntoko bi enfa mba Ghana me catch Fiifi quote my friend 3 times
And I also know. And the Crawford. No, we are. Me do not go. Mamu create problem manima. And mamu ma NDC no problem. Fiifi quote. Me do not go. Mamu ba NDC no problem. I want nima you aswa. Who the lead about election aye wa Ghana. Since family Kuruma, if I na Fiifi quote who say the chadieda. If I know who Fiifi quote who say the chadieda. MPP election, MTC election. The chadi bia ma delegate. One kind of Fiifi quote on him. Everybody was watch 100 million. Fiifi quote who. And the man forward no, in fact to him also. Man go and this you. Why by what man? Man go and this. I don't understand. Why by what man? Fiifi quote. Man go and this. Only my brother sana. Muba power. Na munye position yeti wo. Muni me moja sure. Ansana munye power. Then I end this power. Me do not go. Fiifi quote. You want no feed me masamso. Me kabi bia. Fiifi quote. You know some bia to me your bia. We are one family. We don't want any division. Yeah, please. We don't want any division. We are all one family. If not because of politics that came and divided us, we are all one family. So don't try to bring any problem, any tribalistic or hypocrisy or darkness thing in our service. We don't want it. We don't want it. Why Baba Jamal? You need to bribe people. Why Baba Jamal? You don't want that. It's I also know people that came and bribe people at the election ground. I have witness. They came and bribe people of $3,100. I have witness. I swear, I have witness. So we don't want any division. I also is. So be on your lane. I also know be on your lane. Don't come to our lane. Obia Cheska and Obia my dear. Obia my dear. Mamu yesa. Oh, Jaja, soon Jaja, Fiifi quote, Obia Nina no, Mfafi, Nima Ewasu, Kwasifu, the Katibia. Soon, names will be coming out. One lie. If they like, the society is to court. We have witness. One lie. Be on your line. I will also be on your line.
I am Boba. Vigilantism, no? I will hold and quiet. Me, my force, your mouth, 1 year, no, I'm almost Fiifi quete. You're careful. Your Baba Jamano, once one who say, why your Mahama nipa on. Yes, also your Mahama nipa on. to be see a unifio. Almost see you careful because almost say Fiifi Kwete so o skiminim so also per running meter. And now on the also per chairmanship. Okay. But Fiifi Kwete is younger, he could have even opted for the presidency than Asiedu because Asiedu ne will be a president too. Obi on TV court there. Zia kwa brochira court man akwa but president ni here no or she money ticket no oh dabi. President we dey be afa dabi. Yeah, but president to do sika ni ye hwekwa ni eyama no. Dabi pato Asiedu kete baby abedu ano no chairmanship be ye watimi akura NDC no de wan yade me MPP o munya bisa nka te se nka nya omunie won kwafa chairman bia se de ne ha chairman mumu won kasa NDC chairman de o kasa o Asiedu buwa won otimi kan no kasa John Mahama ne ba na e na munya ai 85 na ben wo NDC mu no masa e be back to back na bia no trust Xposed will bring it. I Xposed chairman bembo so share me too man answer can be man was